my friend, where you going? Have you heard that word from on high? Will you reap those seeds that you're sowing when you're called to your home by and by? You can live your life full of sorrow. You can live your life full of pain. But will you be ready for tomorrow when the Almighty Lord calls your name? Do you know, my friend, where you're going? Have you heard that word from on high? Will you reap those seeds that you're sowing when you're called to your home by and by? You can fool yourself to believing that you hold all the keys in your hand, but it's only yourself you're deceiving when you're locked at the gates to the promised land. Do you know, my friend, where you're going? Have you heard that word from on high? Will you reap those seeds that you're sowing when you're called to your home by and by? Do you know, my friend, where you're going? Have you heard that word from on high? Will you reap those seeds that you're sowing when you're called